This time we'll be drawing a stem and leaf diagram when the data is not ordered and we have to order it. So the first step when you get a question like this or problem like this will be to either order the numbers or the data from smallest to biggest, or draw an unordered stem and leaf diagram. Now this depends on your preference. If you prefer to order the data to begin with, you can, but this method works out quite nicely. Right, so we start by drawing an unordered stem and leaf. So it's the same table, stem and leaf. Again, the only thing that goes in the leaf is the units. So stem, leaf. Just as a reminder, the leaf only includes the units part of the number, nothing else. So if we look, we have to go through the data and try and find the smallest one, which is in the 40s, and then we have numbers in the 50s and the 60s. So our stem has to include the 4 for 40, the 5 for the 50s numbers, and the 6 for the 60s numbers. We then populate the leaf part of the table according to the data we've been given. So 45, take it off, 62, and we continue doing that for all the numbers until we're done. This usually works out quite nicely because we don't have to order the data from smallest to biggest. When we do have to order the data, we only have a few numbers to order, so the chances of actually making a mistake are probably a little less with this method, but it is your preference, whichever method you do choose. So we continue populating the leaf part. Again, the leaf only includes the units part of the number. So we finished the unordered stem and leaf. Now we're going to use that to create the ordered stem and leaf for this data. So step number 2 is draw ordered stem and leaf diagram. And that will be the diagram we will actually require to finish this problem, this question. So stem, again, drawing the same table, stem, leaf, which only includes the units, remember. We've got the 4, 5 and 6 to represent the 40s numbers, the 50s and the 60s, and we then need to order these numbers from smallest to biggest. So this is a lot easier than if we had to order the entire data set. We have smaller data sets to order, and we can do that quite quickly. And also allows you to track your mistake if you do make a mistake, if this does turn up in an exam question or in an exam or in an assessment. And once you've drawn the ordered stem and leaf diagram, the last step will be to include the key. Again, the key is necessary to help somebody, anyone, read what data is included in the stem and leaf. Okay, so we take an example from the ordered stem and leaf. I always use the first one, and that tells us that's 45, and that is the question finished.